Good morning, everybody. Well, it's morning for a few more minutes anyway. I figured I would um, talk to you about organizing again. Um, there are questions that I will ask my clients when I'm working with them about certain items or about all the items. Remember, you've got to be able to take everything in an area in a room. Um, if it's the pictures, if it's clothing, if it's shoes, if it's whatever the case may be, if it's miscellaneous items, you've got to be able to take those items and you have to ask yourself questions. These questions, you have to be very honest with yourself on whether it's actually going to be something you hang on to or something you get rid of. So, questions like, have I used it? Have I used it in the last year or three? Have I needed it in the last year or three? Have I even thought about it? And the reason I say in the last year or three is because you're going to have some seasonal items. Those seasonal items, of course, you're not going to use but once a year. Okay, so what have you used within the last few years? What have you needed in the last few years? When it comes to clothes, when it comes to shoes, do they still fit? Does it still make you feel good when you put it on? Now, we can get into some trouble or get ourselves into some trouble if you're not honest. If you go, oh, I know, I can use that with such and such project. Great, but when are you going to do that project? If you're never going to do the project, there's no point in hanging on to it. So you have to be very honest with yourself. Yes, you can use it in that project. By all means, if you've got a project that you've got to do, or let's say the kids got to do, 6 months down the road, or next school year. Say you have an older one that has already gone through that school year, and you know that a specific project is coming up, and you have leftover stuff from that project. Hang on to it for the other child because you know that they're going to have to do it anyway. Um, if both children have gone through, or all the children, or the child, like in my case, there's only one, so uh, if the child has already gone through it, you know you're never going to use it again, get rid of it. Now, hang on to it and actually donate it if it's something that still can be used, if it's still good, if it still works. But you're just not going to be using it. You're not going to be needing it for any reason. Pass it on to somebody else. Doesn't matter what it is. If it's a globe, I've had clients that have had globes. I don't know if they're used in the classrooms anymore. I'm assuming they are, but because everything can be looked up online. But at some point in time, they may need a globe. If you're not going to use it, but it's something you have, pass it on. It can be resold. There is always someone somewhere that can use it for some reason. But the problem is we get into, oh, we can use it for that, or we can use it for this project. Great. Are you going to do it in the next 6 months? Are you going to do it in the next month? Are you going to do it in the next year? If the answer is no, there's no reason to hang on to it. Get rid of it. But you've got to ask and be very honest with yourself when it comes to these questions. Do I need it? Am I ever going to need it? Am I ever going to do anything? Honestly, are you ever going to do anything with it? Are you going to wear it again? We get into, when it comes to clothes, we get into, oh, I can try and get into that again. It's been probably 10 years since I've been into it, but I can lose weight. Okay, are you gonna? Do you have a way to do that? Honestly, if not, if for some reason you happen to lose the weight, um, give yourself a gift or give yourself a reward by being able to go out and get that smaller size. If it doesn't fit right now, get rid of it. Shoes. If you don't go out on the town, but you've got all of these boots or high heels, do you need them for work? If not, get rid of it. The problem we have is we hang on to everything because we might just wanna, or we might just be able to. That's what gets us into trouble. Get rid of it if it doesn't work, doesn't fit, isn't needed right now. You've always got the option to go out and buy it again if for some reason you need it down the road, or you can go out and rent it. You'd be surprised at what you can rent nowadays. So, again, get rid of it if it doesn't work, doesn't fit, doesn't look good. Find somebody else that will like it, who can use it. There's plenty of people out there that will and can. I will leave you on that note today. Hope you guys are all staying safe and still healthy. Hopefully see you again soon.